Hey everyone, I'm Sarush and today we are also going to continue our science series. Last video we had made a very slow volcano. So this time let's try to make it different. This time we'll make a bit of a faster volcano. So I'm explaining you to the ingredients. So you need a bit of baking soda, okay? But this is a different baking soda. Then you need a bit of citric acid and a bit of vinegar. Okay, so I still haven't filled it, but you'll have to get ready for an explosion. Okay, so we have to pour all of them at the same time. Okay, ready? Wait, I'll put a bit more vinegar. I'll put all, I think. Ready? Steady. I hope this works. Oh, it's coming! It's coming! I need to put a bit more baking soda and a bit more of citric acid. This plan was a bit of a fail. Right. And what do you think? Which food colour should I put? I think red is better. Can you tell me why? Red also matches the color of a volcano. So quickly putting. Ready? Oh no! Oh no! Ah! It's spreading. Ah! It's spreading. Should I put a bit more? Okay. Should we try it again? It's still not done. The party has just started. Ready? But I also took it. Whoa. Okay. So this is a different type of baking soda. This doesn't actually explode. Okay, but if you mix it with citric acid and vinegar, you might be able to make a good volcano. So I hope you learned something, children.